like
for
that.
charisma, Super Lemon Haze brings it. Perfect for that 6 a.m. tweet storm. It's an uplifting sativa. Keeps you
Y'all know to go check out TWP every Wednesday, usually after I get done,
It's bold, it's bright,
depending
and
on
it
how long
screams,
I'm gone.
let's
You know
make
how I be
cannabis
sometimes.
great again.
Next on the list,
Sometimes I be in there just videoing it.
Granddaddy Perp is smooth, classic, and mellow. The kind of genetic that tucks you into bed after a long day of legal drama. Great for sleep and muscle pain. It has a sweet berry flavor equaling a dessert-level luxury, and pairs well with nostalgia and Sinatra.
Old school cannabis for an old school president.
Next on the list is gelato. Gelato is a smooth hybrid. Perfect balance of power and poise. High-class taste with boss-level calm. Doesn't knock you out or amp you up. It's great for feeling in control while relaxed. And you're going to get creamy and sweet, indulgent flavors.
Trump would smoke this, look in the mirror and say, "You're still the best. The people love you."
Next would be Harley Quinn for its CBD heavy choice. If Trump wanted all the calm without the cloud, Harley Quinn would be the move. High in CBD, low in THC, it's wellness without the stoned. Ideal for stress, inflammation, and anxiety. Keeps you functional and focused. Politically palatable, even for conservative circles. So, what's the verdict? Of all we had, the gelato, the Harley Quinn, the Trump OG, the Granddaddy Perps, the Super Lemon Haze, and the Presidential OG, honestly, I think he'd like the gelato for its balance. But secretly microdose Harley Quinn before the rallies. Just enough to stay cool under pressure without losing the spotlight. What do you think? Which strains would fit the Donald?
The Jay Jordan, what's up? Good to see you. How you doing? Happy Easter.
The Mega Kush.
Y'all know to go check out his Easter video he had on right before I went in. Over on his YouTube channel. Shout out to the big homie, the Jay Jordan, level 1 buy me a coffee member. If you like the Jay Jordan, pay for the whole year at a time. You get 2 months free. You dig?
All the talking
You
points
dig?
and interviews. Plus, I talk a bunch of shit and so much more. Link down below. Check it out. And a huge shout out to AC Infinity for sponsoring today's video. If you're looking for some high-tech quality equipment for your tent, check out ACinfinity.com. Whether it's their clip-on fans, the Gen 2s, their air circulation systems, or their lights, check them out at ACinfinity.com. Use promo code PIGEONS420. You're going to save a few dollars off at checkout. You're going to help support the show, and you're going to get yourself some quality equipment. Also, a huge shout out to Seedsman. If you're looking for some quality genetics from a quality place, check out Seedsman. Use promo code PIGEONS420. They're working with some of the best breeders in the game to hook you up with quality genetics. Check them out. Use promo code.
I definitely appreciate you stopping by. Good to see you. Y'all know to go check out his next video because I'm pretty sure that Jay got something coming up real quick. Like,
start your smart grow journey with the GGS Grow Kit from Spider Farmer.
we got 2 more videos and some commercials, I think.
Easy-to-use solution that includes a grow controller, a 3-in-1
Roll
temperature,
it, kid. We keep
humidity,
rolling.
/night sensor, a 2-in-1 light
He over
and
here
fan
talking about
adapter,
these Spider
and a
Farm
built-in
parts.
VPD display.
Spider Farm, all right.
Everything under your control and at
Spider
your
Pig want a
fingertips.
sponsorship with him, but you know, yeah. He's like, man, you the one chose the Spider name, motherfucker.
Farmer.com. Use promo code
Yeah, we did choose Spider
PIGEONS420.
Pig.
You can get yourself a smart controller. Start your journey today and save a
We
few
got some
dollars
videos
off at
coming out
checkout.
over
Thank you,
there
Spider
today
Farmer,
too,
for
so
sponsoring today's
be on the
video.
lookout for that pig.
I've got Mr. Grow It on the other line. Show me the blend. Yeah, louder. Show me the blend. That's it, brother. But you gotta make me feel that shit. Show me the blend. That's it, brother. That's it, brother. But you gotta yell that shit. Show me the blend. I gotta feel it. Show me the blend. That's it. Do you love this bag, man? I love this bag, motherfucker. Show me the blend. You like saving money like a motherfucker? I love to save money. What you gonna do, Gary? I love to save